lovelies, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Jessica. I'm a wife and mother to a little 3-year-old girl, and I make cleaning and organizing videos. So if this interests you, I hope you would hit that subscribe button down below and join my little YouTube family. I would love to have you here. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a evening cleaning routine. And this video is pretty special because I will be doing a collaboration with Imperfect Life Balance. So I will let her introduce herself here now.
Hi everyone, my name is Marta. I'm from Imperfect Life Balance and I'm excited to show you my evening routine as well. I am a full-time working mom of 2, and on my channel you're gonna see a lot of content about cleaning, routines, and just like house management for working moms. So as soon as you are done watching this video, make sure you hop on over to my channel and watch my evening routine.
I hope you all will check out her video after you're done watching mine. I will leave a link to her video down below, so just watch out for it. But yes, this will be my evening cleaning routine. There are some nights though in the evening where I don't really, I mean honestly I don't really have much of a routine because there are some nights where I'm just, after working all day, I am just too tired and like it gets away from me. But I was really happy after I did this video and actually got everything done that I wanted done. Like the kitchen and living room were clean, so when I woke up the next morning it was nice and clean and I got to relax for a little bit before getting ready to head off to work, and it was nice. So here, when I am trying to, clean up before going to bed, I am starting in the living room this time. There are some times though where I start out in the kitchen. But yeah, tonight I started out in the living room just tidying up some things, putting baskets of laundry away and such, and then putting the pillows back on the bed because with having my little girl, she has, like, let me know if your kids are this way too. My kid loves to throw the pillows off the couch all the time. So let me know down in the comments below if your kids are the same way, or even your pets, because even my dog likes to throw the pillows on the floor as well. And then here I'm just grabbing my Febreze and spraying the couch down a bit so it's a little bit more refreshed. And now I'll just be going over to the bay window and getting the stuff that does not need in this area and put it away. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts, faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go, said the things we promised not to say, then we break up. Then after I'm done tidying up everything in the living room, getting everything off the floor and such, then I go ahead and go in with my vacuum and get everything off of the carpet. Which, with having lots of pets around, I have to vacuum the house a lot around here. And I want to apologize now if my voice sounds a little funny. My throat has been like itchy and scratchy. Like, I think I have a slight cold, but like I don't have like a runny nose or anything. It's just mostly my throat that's bothering me. But yeah. now we're just gonna hop on over to the kitchen and get the sink full of dishes done.
Time ago when I kissed your lips, I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go, said the things we promised not to say, that we break up just to start all over, even though we know.
Sorry, my camera stopped recording and I didn't realize until I was already had a bunch of the dishes done. So that's why when it skipped from one area where I was just starting the dishes and then now like you see me with a bunch of dishes sitting in the dish dryer.
Trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.
Now that I got the dishes all washed, dried, and put away, I am now just going to wipe down the counters and my table.
I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
See here with our cat Paulson, but he does have a wound on his neck and we are getting it looked at. But the poor guy, he just looks so beat up.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
And then just to finish up this video, I'm just going to be folding up a basket of laundry, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a lot of cleaning motivation. And I hope that after you watch this, you will go over and watch Imperfect Life Balance's video as well. And hopefully, if you are coming from her channel, I hope you will give me a like and subscribe to my channel down below. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, like I said in the beginning. But yeah, after I get these all folded, that'll be the end of the video. So I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.